Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to answer the questions that a lot of you have been asking in the past few days that has to do with what's going to happen next week. So, of course, Windows 11 is arriving on October the 5th. That means that it's Tuesday, and it's not that far away. And of course, a lot of you have been asking me, first of all, am I going to be forced to go to Windows 11? No, it's an optional update. It will show up as an optional update that you have the choice to choose or ignore, and that's it. The other thing about Windows 11, once again, I want to remind everybody, there has been no change to minimum requirements. That's the way it is. Who will get Windows 11 next week? Well, if you have a compatible PC, you possibly will see it in the Windows updates when it arrives. If you have, if you buy a new PC, some PCs apparently will have it from the start on Tuesday, October 5th, but most of them will have a sticker that's going to say Windows 11 ready, which means it's going to be with Windows 10, but you can go to Windows 11 if you wish. A lot of you might see this if you go to Windows Update and your Windows 10 machines. You could see something that is like this on the right side of your screen. It's going to tell you, great news, your PC meets the minimum requirement for Windows 11. So this is going to show up there. Most of you probably that are compatible probably have this message right now in your Windows updates. And that's just to tell you, your PC's fine. When it arrives, if you want to have it, you'll be able to get it. So don't worry about it. It's all right. So not everybody will actually see it on Tuesday, even if you're compatible. Microsoft will probably go very slowly at first because they will want to test out the distribution of Windows 11, how well it will actually, be released and how well the release is going to go on PCs, if there's any major problem that they might have overlooked. And so some of you will see it as a Windows 11 operating system update. Some of you will not. It is not necessarily because your PC is not compatible. Your PC might be compatible, but not see it yet. It's going to take many weeks, if not months, for the rollout to actually happen. So that is something that, don't worry if you don't see it on Tuesday when it is released. As for the media creation tool, there will be a media creation tool specific for Windows 11. So that means that if you're on Windows 10, you'll have the page for Windows 10 media creation tool download. But Windows 11 will also have its own media creation tool download. And you'll be able to have a ISO image of Windows 11 if you wish to do a clean install or so on. So it's very important to check that out if you want to do a clean install. And that's probably going to be available on Tuesday. We'll have all the details here with the links and everything as everything unrolls next week. But next week is going to be the big week of Windows 11. And, well, maybe you're compatible, but you'll have also another thing that might not show Windows 11 to you, depending on your drivers installed, the apps you have installed. If you have a third-party antivirus installed, it might not show up immediately because sometimes some of these drivers are not updated yet. Even though Windows 10 drivers seem to work well with Windows 11, there will always have some specific Windows 11 drivers that manufacturers will issue very often, especially on newer PCs. So that's for the questions and answers that I've got for the viewers that are asking about rollout next week. Like I said, there's a chance that you'll see it on Windows Update if your PC is compatible. It will be optional, so you don't have to install it. And if your PC is compatible, it's possible you don't see it also. It's not everybody that's going to see it immediately. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.